right. Golden Easter Egg Surprise Toys. Let's learn the colors.
Welcome to Hello, where the fun begins.
Hello, little bunnies. It's Easter time, and we found a big magical egg. Let's open this to see what's inside. Open. Open. Surprise! Wow! Look at this big fluffy bunny. Isn't it cute and fast?
Let's explore this magic ground. High slide, it's playtime wonderland. Hey, slide, come take
Wow! Another big egg! What could be inside? Let's open it together. Open. Open. Surprise!
Each and every single day, songs and rhymes and colors bright. The light just feels so right. High slide, it's playtime wonderland. It's a light, come take our hand.
Let's open this blue egg first. I see something inside. Wow! It's a little yellow baby bunny.
His light's a joyful treat. Friends and family gather around. His light is fun profound.
Let's open this yellow egg. I see something inside too. Wow! It's a little pink baby bunny.
Welcome to Hello, where the fun begins. Come along with us, let's see who wins. Adventures, games, and stories too. There's always something new to do.
Let's open this cute decorated egg. I don't know what is inside. Shall we open? Wow! It's a little green baby bunny. We found some magical golden eggs. Let's open them one by one and see what's inside. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We found 6 golden eggs. Let's open the first golden egg. It looks extra shiny and bright. Open. Open. Wow! It's a red car. Vroom, vroom. The red car is ready to race.
Red color car.
Welcome to Hello, where the fun begins.
Time for the second golden egg. Can you guess what's inside? Open. Open. Ta-da! It's a blue car. So cool and calm, like the sky.
We're so glad to have you here. Jump
Blue
and
color
shout
car.
and spin around. Let's explore this magic ground. High slide, it's playtime wonderland.
Here comes the third golden egg. It's rattling. I hear something. Let's open it. Wow! A rose-colored car. So pretty and pink.
Each and every single day.
Rose color car.
And colors bright. feels so right. Heights alight, it's playtime wonderland. It's a
Let's open the fourth golden egg. What could be inside this one?
every day.
Crack! Crack! Amazing! It's a purple car. It looks royal and cool.
Purple color car.
Is fun profound.
Only 2 more eggs to go. Let's open the 5th golden egg. What's that bright color I see? It's an orange car, zooming like the sunset.
To hell it where the fun begins. Come along with us.
Orange
let's
color
see
car.
Who wins? Adventures, games, and stories too. There's always something new to do.
And now the last golden egg.
Hey, Sunlight,
Let's
smile
open it
and
together.
We're so
Shake
glad
it.
to have you
Open.
here. Jump
Wow!
and spin
A green
around.
car,
Let's
fresh like
explore
grass and ready to
magic
go.
around. Heights alight, it's playtime wonderland.
Green color car.
Sunlight, come take our hand. Dreams and laughter every day. Join the fun, the high light way. Laughing all the way, each and every single day. Songs, rhymes, and colors bright. Excitement just feels so right. Heights alight, it's playtime wonderland. It's a dreams and laughter every day. Join the fun, the highs alight way. Clap your hands and stomp your feet.
Yay!
It's a light, it's a
That was
joyful
so much
treat.
fun.
Friends and
We opened
family
6 golden
gather
eggs and
round.
found
It's a light,
red,
it's fun
blue,
profound.
rose, purple, orange, and green cars. Which one was your favorite? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more colorful surprises.
Heights alight, it's playtime wonderland. It's a light, come take our hand. Dreams and laughter every day. Join the fun, the highs alight way. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. It's a light, it's a joyful treat. Friends and family gather round. It's a light, it's fun profound.
Red color. Blue color. Rose color.
To hell it where the fun begins.
Purple color.
Come along with us, let's see
Orange
who
color.
wins. Adventures, games, and
Green color.
stories too. There's always
Happy
something
Easter,
new
everyone.
to do.
Have fun, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our videos. Bye-bye.
So glad. Heights alight, it's playtime